Oh my god, bro. What the hell? We have time to regroup.
We're all here.
I almost have ult too.
No went up, watch out.
I'm a half, go.
Can you burn? Just burn, shoot.
Oh, fuck, and I'm dead.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
wow.
great. I literally right-clicked, but I don't know. I don't know! It wasn't fast enough, I guess. I need to be faster with that. Fuck! That could have been game-winning. That's great. That's great.
Okay, look, you can sit touch.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Do you want a ban? Oh my god. That, yeah, I probably just fucking threw the game right there.
I got Iron Man up to it. They're down one.
I got two rocket. They're down a healer.
Our
Down
cap
another
is
healer.
down.
They have no healers. I have no dash though.
Nice.
Maximum.
Oh, run! Oh my god, Hugh!
Nice freeze.
Nice freeze. Oh, they're gonna TP, they're gonna try to.
They don't have time.
Good. Yeah, fuck that bitch.
GG's guys.
Ah! We're up! We're so up! We're so up! Yeah! How do I get more healing than my rocket? It's me, I was the rocket. You know me as Loki, you got more heals? Do most comp players camp? No. Oh my god, I'm literally at where I was yesterday. Easy win, no sweat whatsoever. Not at all! Not at all! Oh my god. Holy fuck. How much did I get off that? 22? Fuck me. Let's go gambling! Oh. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. We won! Yay! Yay! Woo! Now, this is the movie run. Who? Okay. This is the movie run. This is it! Damn. GM 2? Johnny, thank you for the lurk! Holy. Holy moly. Oh my god. Charlie says 80 and 70, right, Benja? Yeah. Yeah, there's just a 0, it's just hidden. Yeah. A win! It's the win streak! We're up! This is it! This is the streak! This is the streak. It begins. It begins. We start winning. Hi, Captain Crunch, how are you? We got this. This is the streak. This is it. Oh my god. How is Toast and Zorb doing? How are you guys doing? Wiffy's like, I'm back to Lord farming. Are we let's playing comp too? Don't look, please don't do. Oh, is it bad? Hi, Brayden! What do we got? Oh. Oh, okay. We have no Celestials on the goddamn team! This is some bullshit! This is stupid. Lose 4, win 6. That's what we did yesterday. I'm playing Cloak. Man, no, I'm not. I'm playing Rocket. What do you mean you're Celestial? I'm literally not! So check my peak, bro! Oh my god. And everybody apparently wants to tank all of a sudden. Oh my god. Now everybody's a fucking tank. I'm gonna piss my pants. Wouldn't be a grind if it was too easy. Yeah, okay, you're right. You're right. You have a point. This is fucked up. Yeah. I'm D1 and I can play with Peach. Bitch, fuck you. I don't need tank players. Apparently, everybody is a tank player in this elo. BP ban? Great. Yay. So I feel loading in a quick play and seeing a Celestial Eternity. It's quick play! Who cares? I don't want to see a fucking Celestial Gamers in my GM games. Oh my